1. Heart-healthy foods that really satisfy. Hello everyone. Today we're diving into some delectable heart-healthy foods that not only support your cardiovascular health, but also leave you feeling fully satisfied. Your heart is the engine of your body, and just like any engine, it requires the right fuel to function optimally. So let's explore these amazing foods that are both beneficial and delicious. 1. Oily fish, a treasure trove of omega-3. First up are oily fishes like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are fantastic for reducing inflammation and lowering blood pressure. Incorporating 2 servings a week can significantly benefit your heart health. Try baking or grilling them to perfection for a delicious and nutritious meal. 2. Nuts and seeds, the crunchy heart protectors. Next, let's talk about nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are not just great for snacking. They're also loaded with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. These nutrients help lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and promote a healthy heart. Add them to your yogurt, salads, or just munch on a handful for a heart-healthy snack. 3. Oats, the breakfast champion. Oats are a breakfast champion for all the right reasons. They're rich in beta-glucan, a type of fiber that's been shown to lower cholesterol levels. Starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with fruits and nuts can keep you satisfied and your heart in tip-top shape. 4. Leafy greens, the mighty veggies. Don't underestimate the power of leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support heart health by reducing blood pressure and improving arterial function. Incorporate them into your meals as salads, smoothies, or side dishes to reap their vast benefits. 5. Berries, nature's sweetheart. Lastly, berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are not just delicious. They're also rich in antioxidants and phytonutrients that improve heart health by reducing inflammation and providing a satisfying sweetness without the guilt. Enjoy them as a snack, mix them into your cereal or yogurt, or blend them into a smoothie for a heart-healthy treat. Conclusion. By incorporating these heart-healthy foods into your diet, you're not just doing your heart a favor. You're also satisfying your taste buds. Remember, the best diet is one that you enjoy and can sustain in the long term. So explore these options, mix and match flavors, and find what works best for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more nutritious content. Stay healthy and satisfied.